In today's video, we will learn how you can automatically add VivifyScrum comments to Google Sheets. So let's say you run a business and you use VivifyScrum for project management. Now you want every time, let's say your teammate posts a comment on an item here in VivifyScrum, so the comment details and that person's details should be added here in Google Sheets so that you can have a full-fledged record and you can strategize your further action. So we are going to automate this entire process using Pabbly Connect. Come to my screen to see how we do this. To automatically add VivifyScrum comments to Google Sheets, let us first go to Pabbly's website. You can see the landing page of Pabbly. On the top right, you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you sign up free, you will get free tasks every month. So do not forget to sign up. Since we already have an account, we will just sign in. Pabbly Connect. On the top right, you will see a Create Workflow button. It will ask you to name. We will simply write VivifyScrum to Google Sheets. Okay, it's processing. Now it will show you two windows, trigger and action. Trigger is when this happens, action says do this. So our entire automation process would be based on these two steps, trigger and action. Let us understand this with the help of an example. A trigger can be when a payment is made, the action can be send a confirmation message to the user. In our case, a trigger can be whenever a comment is made in VivifyScrum, the action can be add the details in a Google Sheet. So let us begin and select VivifyScrum. For the trigger event, we will select configure webhook. So now it has generated a URL, a webhook URL. A webhook URL is basically a link that connects to applications. So we are going to copy this URL and go through these instructions written over here so as to know how we are going to set this URL in order to connect VivifyScrum with Pabbly. So it says log into your VivifyScrum account. We are already logged in. Then click on your desired board and go to Configure Board, Integrations and Webhook tab. All right. So this is the board I will be working on. You can see Connect Board and these are few items that are created here. Now the last icon you will see Configure Board. Just click there. Now on the top you will see Integrations. Just click there. Then select Webhook from the left and you will see this copy your URL section. It will show you here. So remember this webhook URL that we copied. Yes, we'll copy it again and we are just going to paste it. So now from here, just select the item you want the trigger for. So I want it for when notify me when a comment is created. So I'm just going to click on test button. Okay, it's done. Scroll down, I'll just click on add integration and you will see webhook integration successfully added. Now let us go to Pabbly and you will see it has given you the response here. The notification text is notify me when a comment is created. Okay. Now let us click on recapture webhook response. Now you will see it's waiting for webhook response. Let us quickly go to VivifyScrum. Make a dummy comment there as a test submission and let's see if it is able to capture the response. The Pabbly is able to capture the response for the comment created. The same item for which we set the trigger. So here it is. I'll again come to my board and you will see. So this is the item, one of the items, Demo 43 service request. This is the name. Then the description here is system not working properly. And so now what I want is I want to just drop a comment here. So this is the comment, hey noted. We'll do it before deadline. All right. So I'm just going to post it. And here's the comment you can see. And then the person who made a comment, their name is also showing. Now let us go to Pabbly and see if it has captured the response. And yes, Pabbly has captured the response. If you'll scroll down, you'll see the comment here, hey noted, will do before deadline. Then you will see the name here, the name of the title on which comment was posted. You can see demo 43 service request. I'll show you here. So you can see the name here, and also you can see the code here. This was the task code here. I'll show you the task code is also captured here. So this was the task. So the name or the code of the task, code of the item, and the title of the item on which the comment was made. So this information will also be important for us if we'll be posting the comments and the details in a Google Sheet. If we are maintaining the record, so these details will play an important role over there. All right. Then here is the person's name here. Like you can see, the person who made the comment, the first name, last name, and their email address also you will find here. If you'll further scroll down, you will also see other details here. So now this means we have successfully integrated our VivifyScrum with Pabbly. Now on to our action step, which is going to be Google Sheets. So for the action event, we are going to select add a new row, connect, add new connection, and connect with Google Sheets. So now I'm going to select my account here. And since I'm already logged into my account, I will not have to give any credentials. I'll just give the permission. Authorization successful. And you will see it's connected. Now it will show you the various spreadsheets that I have created in my account. I'm going to select VivifyScrum test since I'll be working on this. I'll show you here. So this is my spreadsheet, VivifyScrum test. I want these fields name, comment, item title, and item code. So I want the name of the person who made the comment, then the comment that they made, then the name or the title of the item on which they made the comment, then the code of that item on which the comment was made here. So you will see these are few items here in my Vivify. So this is the name of the item or the title of the item that I will be needing, and the code, like you can see here, the code of the item. So I will need this information so that I can have proper record on which of the item on which the comment was exactly made. So now coming back to Pabbly, let us just map the name here. Let us search using name, and we can select first name from here. But before we map in these details, you must be thinking where exactly are we getting this data from. For that, I will take you to step 1 where we integrated VivifyScrum with Pabbly, did a test submission, made a dummy comment, and Pabbly captured this response. So Pabbly has brought exactly same response here in the Google Sheets, and that's how we are going to map. So let us search using first name for quick results. Here is the first name, give a space. Search using last name for quick results, and here's the last name. In a similar way, we are going to map comment as well. You scroll down, you will see the comment here, the item title or the name of the title here. Let us search using title. You will get the name of the title. Again, the code it needs. Let's try search using code, and you will get the item code here. So we have mapped in all these details. Before I click on save and send test request, I just want to tell you a quick thing about mapping here. So these mapped in fields you can see name, comment, item title, item code. So these mapped in fields from next time will automatically be updated. So what will happen is whenever a new comment is made on some item here in VivifyScrum, here in Google Sheets, these mapped in details like name, comment, title, code, these details, these mapped in fields will automatically pick the new data. They will automatically be updated and you will not have to do it manually. So now let us click on save and send test request. And you will see we have received the response. Now let me quickly take you to my VivifyScrum test Google Sheet and let's see if the row was added there. And here you can see, if I expand this, you will see the details here. The name of the person who made the comment that they made. And you will see the name of the item and the item code. So this means we have successfully integrated our Google Sheets and VivifyScrum using Pabbly Connect. Not only this guys, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with the help of Pabbly Connect. For any queries, you can visit forum.pabbly.com. Our team will definitely answer your queries. You can also visit our website on www.pabbly.com/connect. For latest updates, you can also join our Facebook group. Share this video with your friends and help them automate their businesses.